In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Discord account from your Whop account. Before we start, a quick overview of what this change means. Disconnecting Discord from Whop stops the two services from sharing information, which can be helpful if you're switching Discord accounts, troubleshooting role syncs, or tightening privacy. Keep in mind, if your access to a product or community on Whop is granted through Discord roles, unlinking may remove those roles and limit your Discord access until you reconnect. This won't delete your Discord account, it only severs the connection inside Whop. Let's begin right from the Whop homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your account controls. Look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu, where you'll find shortcuts to your personal settings and other controls. If you don't immediately see the menu, hover over the icon or click once more to reveal it. Next, select the gear icon to open your settings. The gear is a universal symbol for preferences, so when you click it, you'll land in the area where you manage everything related to your account. Take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct place. You should see a sidebar or tabs with different settings categories. Inside Settings, choose Connected Accounts. This section is designed specifically for integrations, services like Discord that you've linked to your Whop profile. It's the central spot for adding or removing connections and checking their current status. If the page takes a second to load, that's normal. It's pulling in your integration details. Now, look for Discord in the list. If your Discord is connected, you'll see it labeled clearly, along with an option to unlink. Click Unlink. You may see a confirmation prompt. Confirm the action to proceed. After a moment, the Discord connection status will change to show it's no longer linked. If you don't see Discord listed at all, that simply means there isn't an active connection, and there's nothing else you need to do. If the page doesn't update right away, give it a few seconds and refresh. That's it. You've removed your Discord account from Whop. If you ever need to restore access to Discord-based perks or communities, you can reconnect later from this same Connected Accounts page. And remember, unlinking here doesn't alter your Discord profile or servers. It just affects how Whop and Discord talk to each other. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your account connections with confidence.